My name is Daniel Ripper with Compass Real Estate, and welcome to my open house. What is an open house? An open house is where we literally open the house typically on a weekend, Saturday or Sunday from a certain time. Everyone is welcome to enter the house to preview it. They could be potential buyers, they could be neighbors. Prepping for an open house isn't just what it sounds like, opening your house. We put it on the internet the week before and advertise it on different platforms so people can see that, and when they come, we make sure that we have all the proper marketing materials ready. We make flyers, we put the open house signs out. And I think the most important thing that we get from the open house is getting the feedback for the seller, right? After the open house, we speak to our sellers and say, listen, this is how many people came to your open house. This is what the feedback was. And from there, if we need to make any kind of changes, we can do those, from presentation to price to the things that we can control.